I used to draw triangles under your eye thinking that will give you more coverage. I don't think so. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can achieve more coverage under your eye without drawing triangles underneath your eye. Before anything else, I'm going to start by applying foundation on my face. So on the side of my face, I'm going to be doing the less coverage method, and on the side of my face, I'm going to be doing the method that can give you more full coverage. So I'm making use of this concealer and I'm trying to reduce the excess product I have on it. Applying my concealer underneath my eye in this method to give me this lifted look that I love so much. Right now I'm going in with my beauty sponge, my beauty blender, to conceal the concealer underneath my eye. I love to use the beauty sponge because it helps me to absorb the product instead of leaving excess product on my face, so I have the right amount of product to get the desired look that I want to achieve each time I'm making use of liquid products basically. So I'm still blending. Bear in mind that in this video I'm not going to cut out any blending process because I want you to know that it is normal for it to take long minutes to blend your face. I'm making use of my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm using what I have on the cover with my powder brush and applying that directly underneath my eye. So after applying, I want to dust it out immediately so that I will not have too much powder on my face. So doing the same thing onto the part for more coverage, but the difference is that we're going to wait for 5 minutes for it to settle before we go in to blend it like how we blended the other part of my face. So how this is going to feel, it's going to feel more tacky on your face. It's going to feel like how your face feels like when you apply primer on your face, because in this case the concealer has settled in on your skin. It's not as fresh as it was for the part for low coverage. It has set into your face, and you might have to make this facial expression so that can get to every corner of your under eye so that no part is left unblended. So I'm going to take my time to blend it, and this is where you really appreciate your beauty sponge because you want it to transfer the product properly onto the right place. You can try using the brush and the sponge and let me know which one you prefer down in the comment section below. So once I'm done blending, I'm applying the same amount of setting powder I have already on the part of my face. I'm going to wait for a while, 3 minutes, before I go in my powder brush to dust everything from my face. So once I'm done blending it, I'm going to make use of my setting spray and applying it on my face, make my face looks less cakey and more skin. So this is how we are looking like right now. I'm just applying highlight on my face so that it pops a bit. I just like it like that. I haven't applied powder on my face yet just because I wanted you to see how it looks like. So it won't be like, oh, it's because she applied powder on her face, that's why it's giving this difference. This is how it's looking like in 4K. From what I'm seeing here, this is giving me everyday girl kind of makeup look, and this one is a bit more popping. It has much more concentration of concealer on it. So this is more coverage and this is less coverage. Let me show you how it looks like from different angles so you can get the picture. Yeah, so this is how we're looking like. So next time you want to accomplish more coverage, you don't need to apply more than one concealer on your face. Just use this trick and let it stay on your face for a while, then you come out looking like a glam girl. So the trick is just let everything you apply stay longer than it ought to stay. So till next time guys, bye for now.